Today I'm going to walk you guys through one of my high protein, low calorie meals that I've been eating almost every single day. And you guys know when we have the apron on, we mean business. So first thing we need to do is measure out 255 grams or 3 cups of our shredded hash browns into a bowl. Now it's time to grab our air fryer bowl, add a little bit of avocado spray in there. We're going to lightly season them with some black pepper, slap your mama seasoning, and a little bit of garlic salt. We're going to place this in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now that that's cooking, it's time to get our protein source cooking. This is my Flex Pro meals that I grabbed out of the freezer. This is 8 ounces of sirloin steak. Going to poke a couple holes for vents and place in the microwave how it is for about 2.5 minutes. While everything's cooking, you know we have to give Rossi some attention. Alrighty, now that everything is done, it's time to put it in our bowl and add our toppings. And I can't lie, this is a lot harder with one hand. I only spilled a little bit. The real test is how crunchy do these hash browns actually get. Perfect. Now we're going to pour our steak out of the microwave, place it directly on top. One serving of our fat-free cheddar cheese right on top of these spicy guacamole cups. They're only 90 calories a cup. Off, we're going to add some of this avocado cilantro green chili sauce. This entire bowl is 77 grams protein, 10 grams of fat, and 60 grams of carbs, and this thing will keep me full all day long. I don't know about you guys, but this is one of the meals that I can eat almost every single day.